The star formation. The distribution of matter and energy was not even in the early universe. These initial density differences gave rise to differences in the gravitational forces, and it caused the matter to get drawn together. These formed the basis for the development of the galaxies. A galaxy contains a large number of stars. The universe, it comprises of numerous galaxies, and the galaxies, it comprises of countless stars. The universe was born with the Big Bang. What happened? A very tiny dot or the singular atom, it exploded. And due to this explosion, all the matter, energy, it got scattered in the space. See, let me explain this in some simpler words. Larger density means gravity will affect an object more strongly. See, what is gravity? Gravity is the attractive pull between two objects that have mass. As you can see in the picture that the yellow ball, it has more mass, so it means if the mass is more, then the gravity of this, the gravitational pull of this yellow ball will be also more as compared to this green ball, which is smaller in size, means it has less mass, so it has less gravity, as the strength of gravity is directly proportional to the amount of mass of each object. Hope it is clear now. So, what will happen now? The denser matter or the denser material which is present in the early universe will attract the material with which is less denser or which has less mass, so less gravity. Due to this gravitational pull, it leads to accumulation of the mass. And this accumulation of the mass will ultimately lead to increase in pressure, and this increase in pressure will ultimately lead to what? Rise in temperature. So due to this rise in temperature, now the gases, they warmed up, and this process continued, due to which a ball of, you can see, a ball of hot gases was created. And this gas and this hot ball was mainly comprised of dust and gases like hydrogen and helium. Now this is known as a nebula. And in this nebula, the matter is still continued to collect due to the gravitational pull, and still increase in pressure, increase in temperature, which ultimately converted this nebula into a star. Now the question arises, how do the stars produce heat and light? See, stars are made up of very hot gases, and these gases are mostly hydrogen and helium and the dust particles. See, what happens, there is a process in which the hydrogen atoms, they fuse together to form what? To form helium atom. So in this process of conversion from hydrogen atom into helium atom, a lot of heat and light is emitted and produced. So this process is known as the process of nuclear fusion. So due to the process of nuclear fusion, the stars are able to produce heat and light.